Sharing food is a wonderful way to connect with our neighbors. That's why we've called this cake Neighbor Cake. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the flour to a bowl along with the baking powder and salt and mix. Add the cinnamon and mix. A small gesture can go a long way in brightening someone's life.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor.
In another bowl, add the butter and sugar and mix with beaters until incorporated. Add the eggs and vanilla and mix. Add the food coloring and mix again. Life is so much better when we look out for each other.
I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you.
Pour in about half of the dry ingredients. Add the cranberry juice and mix. Add the rest of the dry ingredients in the milk and mix well. Divide the mixture into 2 greased baking pans lined with parchment paper. Bake for 30 minutes. Showing our neighbors a little love brightens our day too. That's the icing on the cake.
I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you.
You know the cake is ready if you insert a toothpick or fork and none of the batter sticks to it. After taking the cake out of the oven, put the sliced almonds on a cookie sheet and toast for about 4 minutes at the same temperature. Add the whipping cream to a small bowl and beat until stiff. Add the cream cheese and icing sugar to another bowl and beat well. Then add the whipping cream and fold together. Your icing is ready. And by the way, you don't have to make this cake to share with your neighbors. You can make any cake, or muffins, soup, lasagna, it doesn't matter.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Slice off the top of both cakes to make them level. We place the base of the cake on a cake plate with parchment paper. The parchment paper is just to keep the plate clean. Ice it and spread out half of the almonds and cranberries. Ice the top of the other cake and place on top. Now ice the whole cake and top with the rest of the almonds and cranberries. Carefully remove the parchment paper. Divide your cake for sharing. We'd like to say a big thank you to our neighbors for being so neighborly. And of course, to all of you for watching.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?